because me not really buy panty and wear them same time. Me always wash them and me make sure me pray over them. But anyway, last night after me take out the panty them and say me throw them in the clothes basket to wash them this morning. When me look on the panty them, me see.
Blessed day viewers and subscribers, welcome to the boss with another video. Alright guys, right there on your screen, I don't know about that already. Alright, so I don't know so that are jazz. Alright, so now I'm going to use the P word because you know YouTube and them have them little policy things, some in a Jamaican terms we call that jazz. Alright, so this lady purchased 2 jars from me at the Chinaman store, guys. And to her surprise, when she ready for wear the jars them, she find out said there's a little round black thing at the front. So anyway, she fast and she dig it up, and when she take a start, guys, you know what she find in it? I'm gonna listen this.
Listen, me say me have to send this gonna show you because me tell us that things and time really serious. Now me buy them 2 panty here where me send gonna show you. In a the Chinese place where they right beside Spicy Nice. Which part Spicy Nice used today? Our supermarket didn't know. So the little China where they right as you step down when you come from upper clock. Me go in there, me buy then 2 panty in there. But yeah, so because me not really buy panty and wear them same time. Me always wash them and me make sure me pray over them. But anyway, last night after me take out the panty them and say me throw them in the clothes basket to wash them this morning. When me look on the panty them, me see 2 locals sitting on the front part of the panty. So me I say, what is up on the panty? And me turn it over on the wrong side. So me feel one local sitting in it. So me get one razor and say me I'll cut you out. So me call Mark and me say, Mark, come look here. And Mark take you when Mark cut it. One little chip in the front part of the panty glue down. In the front part of the panty. So me say me I go send it come show you because listen to me. We are some cruel and wicked people them out there. What that the chip they for now? Can you imagine where if anybody buy them and wear them, what that I go do to them? What that for? We need to search everything where we buy brassiere and panty and all them the same type of something because me tell us it really serious and it really dread. What is the agenda now for this and now chip? You look how micro looking chip in the glue down in the front part of the panty. Me say come show you still so you can see it for yourself. I carry panty them last night. Because me say me want to know what kind of chip them there in a panty and why a person would have put chip in a panty. So when we go down my place now and me ask Mr. Chin, me say Mr. Chin, me buy then 2 panty down here. And me find chip in a them. Mr. Chin say it is there for protection. So me say to him say protection from what? Him say the panty make with the chip them to protect women when them have their monthly period. So me ask him say how that I go protect we when we have we monthly period. He say it is there to protect us from period discomfort, period pain, and all them period problem where we get when we are see we period amount time. No, listen. Them put chip in a panty as according to them to protect woman from period discomfort. No, uno do no maths. God give you wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Who authorize it? Who authorize it? And how can you be selling something we are going to affect a person when they wear it? And come with nothing we write up to say, well, all right, this is what this is for. It is like any other underwear, just put on, you just go pick up. And you take up. And you buy and you go wear. No, the person when I see period, we are weary. Or if affect them, they smarty day. Or it affect a person when even see the period. Remember, something when you put it on, it will activate. it a go start work on your body. Do not be ignorant. Do no maths for no self. The people them wicked. Them a sell things in the country illegal. Nothing good can come from this thing. Me only hope say anybody else will purchase them will see it and not think say a style or think say it cool and you know we can get comfort from this thing. Because me and you know say the people are wicked. And them a try after we black race long time, after the Jamaican them from long time. So any opportunity they get for wipe we out, remember me tell us that they will take it. So as we say, do no maths. God give the whole of we wisdom, knowledge and understanding. We are no idiot. If we see period and we feel pain, we go take one pill and go lie down sleep. Or go find some Cersei or some bush for belly pain, go boil and we go relax ourselves. We don't need nobody to give we no chip. We don't need nobody at all to put no device in a panty pan with activate. We are robot. We are not robots and we are not guinea pig.
Exactly.
We don't need that.
Wow. Mighty God, Jano Star. Guys, this thing is very serious. But I want to watch the video and we listen to this voice note and we say, whatever, I just want to look up black something. Guys, I remember speaking with a lady and she tell me, say, yo, MIXUP boss. She said, with passport we have in the United States, they look about there. She said, yo, one look, say at the front part, when they tear it open, there's a little microchip in it. Yeah. And I said, well, yes. She said, yes. I said, right. So, guys, even with phone case we buy, we have to be very careful. Because these Chinese are very, you see them? They're very dangerous. And guys, yeah, man, they know if you put in things and make things look normal. But you don't know when you strip them. You understand? So, even your phone case, you could have buy your phone, buy all one case when you take a stock. In the middle of the case, when you open it, there is some microchip. And you remember now, when you buy something from a store, your name written on a receipt plus phone number, depends if you buy everything from this or so. Then people know if you keep track of you know if you do. Some of these things are who to tell the thing that we should find in the jars and something we do with something we you give all the woman them some farmer. You know what I mean? Yeah. For them I figure doctor. So yo, them things are serious guys. So most of them things are then again, people are going to say the government sell out Jamaica a long time. So me don't know. Then say knockoff shoes illegal in Jamaica. Yet still when you go in a Chinese store, you see a lot of them. Be a knockoff. None of them now authorized by Nike and Reebok and them thing, but them have them in a third world country are selling and make millions off away. You understand? And sometimes you see them thing, guys, we own black people, we are the problem too. Because there's a little man can't say I'm going to try to open up a wholesale in Jamaica. You understand? All type of things are going to reach him. When I start at this, that, and, you know, so people just afraid to do certain things, guys. And the Chinese, then come and invest in Jamaica. Right now, them are building a new highway for go Mandeville, Manchester side. You understand? So, them people are come like them want to take time to cover Jamaica, guys. So, what we are going to do? You understand? Our type of people them now, we lost our moral. We no business about not want to. Once we can go up and Mr. China and get something cheap, that's it. You know, one time we used to stand up for it, but I don't know. We can't fight the state, and I guess our government run the country and law. So I guess we have to just live by it and them things. But this message is for us to be smart, be wise, and be on the lookout. Anything on our buy a certain place, make sure on the search it. You understand? Search it and look on it good. Because, as well lady say, when you hear it, so I'm going to have to repeat myself. Big up on yourself, put a like on the video, comment soon in the next video.